Are these $26 earbuds worth buying? In this video, I'm going to be breaking it down, so let's talk about it. What's up, buds? Welcome to Want to Buy In. On this channel, we do a whole bunch of tech and audio reviews. If you're into any of that, hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification right next to it so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. We're getting so close to 4,000 subscribers. And like always with all these products, I'm gonna put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that, see the current price, and see other people's reviews. So let's start breaking these down. So right here, we have the Dudios 5.0 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. These are going for 26 bucks right now. But also right under the price on Amazon, if you guys click the link down below, you'll see a 20% off coupon for these as well. So you can also save 20%. It'll be right under the price, so right where you see the price for 26 bucks, right at the bottom, you'll see a 20% off coupon. So you guys can click that, save a little bit more money. So when you get your earbuds, it'll come in this case. Nice little simple case. Little foam on top to protect. Of course, you'll get everything in there. You know, the earbuds and the thing separate, which is right here. And then it'll also come with some different tips to fit your ears. And you'll also get a USB Type-C cable so you can charge up. There is no charging brick, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people already have charging bricks out there. So yeah, you get a USB Type-C cable to go with it as well. So here goes your case. So this is like the look and feel of it. It's a really light case, really glossy, nice looking. And it's not too wide. I don't know if it looks like that to you guys. It'll be no problem really in your pocket. And here goes the earbuds. It does have that Apple AirPods Pro look. It's like basically the same thing. It's like a little clone. They do feel really good as well. And they're really comfortable in your ear. That's one thing I did notice right when I put them in there. They kind of disappear in your ear, which is really good when it comes to headphones or earbuds. You really don't want to feel it nagging your ears or your head or anything. So that's really good. So when it comes to the battery life of the earbuds, you get 5 hours in each earbud. So you won't have to worry about the battery life because you also get 20 in the case. So you get a full day's worth of battery life to listen to your music, talk on the phone. So the case is also a USB Type-C quick charge. So if you're trying to hurry up and get some juice back in there, the quick charge feature will also help you out with that. So you'll be good. And you also get the lights down there to let you know like how much battery life you have in the case. And each dot is like 25% basically. So that will give you an indication of how much battery life you have in the case. These do work in mono. One thing I'm noticing, a lot of earbuds are starting to work in mono. There was a time when I first started my channel, earbuds didn't. If you had to have both of them in for them to work, which was annoying. But now you could have one in while the other one charges. And you can always keep one in your ear all day so you can always listen to your music, podcasts, or talk on the phone. So I'm gonna give you guys a little on-ear look. These are really light. When you put them in your ear, they don't really bug you at all. I do like that. So I'm gonna just turn real quick. Give you guys a look. And a straight on look. But yeah, they feel really good. I do like the shorter stems, you know, that AirPod Pro style. They did pull this off very well. They are touch controlled as well. I don't think I said it, but you could just tap them on there and you can switch songs or pick up the phone, any of that. So they are touch control earbuds. These earbuds are IPX7, so they can handle rain, they can handle sweat, you know, or any splashes that get on them. You won't have to worry about any of that. And no, you can't swim with these, but they do handle like splashes and rain, all that. So if you want to go work out, run in the rain, don't worry about the sweat, don't worry about the water. You're all set. So now let's talk about the sound quality of these earbuds. When it comes to the sound quality, if you're a bass lover, you will really like the bass, especially for some $26 earbuds. I wasn't expecting the bass that I got out of these. But that being said, now we're gonna talk about the mids and the highs and how it works with the bass. So now we're talking about the mids and the highs, and that's like the vocals and the instruments. Now with these, they sound clear when the song doesn't have a lot of bass, but now when you have a song with bass in it, it kind of takes over the song. The bass takes over the song and starts to, you know, push and drown out the vocals and the instruments, the mids and the highs. So that might be one issue for people that don't really like bass. But if you're a bass lover, you're definitely getting some good bass, especially for this super cheap budget price. And if you want some bass in your earbuds, these are definitely ones you might want to lean to because they do have nice bass in them. But the problem is, like I said, it will kind of drown out your music. But if that's not an issue for you, you might want to lean towards these earbuds right here. So my final thoughts on these earbuds, For 26 bucks, you're getting a really good pair of earbuds. They look nice, they are stylish, but they're also very comfortable. And when it comes to the call quality, you get nice quality. It sounds crystal clear. The only problem I have is on certain songs, the bass will drown out the mids and the highs, and you'll have a really bass heavy song. Now, that's not a problem for all the bass lovers out there. If you're looking for some bass earbuds, these might be ones you want to look at. So for 26 bucks, I really think you're getting a good pair, especially they have that $20 coupon, so you might want to check that out as well. All right, buds, so there you have it. That's my little review of the Dudios earbuds. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, the link will be down in the description below, so you guys can click that, see their current price, and see other people's reviews. If you enjoyed this video or this video helped you out, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell notification right next to it so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And to all my subscribers now, once again, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Everyone, have a happy holidays. I'll see you in the next video. And if you're watching this after the holidays, have a great day. Be safe out there. Peace.